Okay, this Mishnah we worked in class a little bit. This is Mishnah 4.5, the fourth chapter, the fifth Mishnah. So I'm going to show you how I did it, although many of you already did it very nicely. So, Aya rochev ala chamor. If a person was riding on a donkey, and we divide that because that's our case. I know that because Yered is future and that is the din. So Ve'im starts the next case. Ve'im einu yachol Yered, if he's not able to get down. Yachzir et panav, this is already the din because Yachzir is he should turn his face. That's the din. It's telling us what he should do. Yachzir et panav, he should turn his face. Ve'im eino yachol, if he's not able to, so this is the next case. So we divide here. Ve'im eino yachol lachzir et panav, if he's not able to turn his face around, and we stop there because ichaven is he should have in mind. Again, that's future, is telling us what he should do, that's a din. So we divide there. Ichaven et livo neged beit kodesh hakadashim. All right, so let's now classify. Let's identify what each step of the Mishnah is. Let's make our tools the right tools. And here we go. So Aya rochev ala chamor. This is going to be a mikre. This is a case. This is what we're talking about. Yered, he should go down from the donkey. That's telling us a law. This is the din, telling us what he should do. V'im einu yachol yered, if he's not able to get down, so that's another case. Yachzir et panav, he should turn his face around, and that's the din, telling us that he should do that. Ve'im einu yachol lachzir et panav, if he's not able to turn his face around, so that's another case, another situation. Then ichaven et libo neged beit kodesh hakadashim, he should have in mind to direct his tefillah towards the kodesh hakadashim in the Beit HaMikdash, and that is the din. Okay, so that's the second step. We classified each step, and now we're going to connect them, and in this Mishnah is very, very simple. So this is the din for this case, and this is the din for this case, and this is the din for this case. Okay, so again, when we're connecting, we're showing that this belongs to this, but this is a separate case. That's where they line up like this. The first case, the second case, and the third case. So if we take a look now on the left side of our screen, we'll see how we organize the Mishnah. There's three cases. The first case is a person is riding on a donkey. This is the din. He should get down from the donkey. If, however, he's not able to turn his face around for whatever reason, then what he should do, if he's not able to get down from the donkey, then he should turn his face towards Yerushalayim, towards the Har HaBayit. If he's not able to turn around for whatever reason, then he should ichaven, he should have in mind at least to direct his tefillah in that direction, and this is the proper way to do this Mishnah.